Thank you so much, Elgato, for sending me this capture card, the Elgato 4K-X. We're gonna unpack it and see what's in the box. There's another box in the box. It tells you how to use the capture card right here. Go to elgato.com and go to download to download the software, and then plug it in your computer and plug it into your console. If your console doesn't send out the audio via the HDMI, you can buy the Elgato chat link to actually have the audio go through there instead. Here we have it. This is how the capture card looks like. This is how big it is in comparison to my hand. I do have small hands, so if you're a guy, you probably have a little bit bigger hands, but it's not that big. Here and here we have HDMI in and out. In as in it goes in from your console to the capture card, so it goes into the capture card. Out, it goes from the capture card to your screen. Here we have a USB-C port. This port is so you can send it to your computer, so you can actually capture it on the computer. Here we have a little book in it. It is the important safety instructions. And then they're hiding something underneath here. Oh, whoops, I'm ripping the box. Boom. But there are some secrets. There's some secrets underneath. This is an USB-C to USB-C cable. Elgato started labeling all their cables, so you can see that this one is 3.210 gigabits per second. So they start labeling them, and that's great. And they also put in an HDMI one, and this one is 8K, so this one can support 8K. I'm glad they started labeling them, because then you know which cables you can use for which devices. And they also use this nice smooth material that prevents your cables from getting tangled, which is really great. You also recognize cables a lot better if they look unique, which I like a lot. That's all what's in the box.